Hi, Ali.
Hi, Kabir.
ACP Jay Dixit. I think it's just a blast.
This is a movie about motorbike.
Wow, awesome.
Really rocking.
Wow, quite new and I'm quite excited about it.
Bikes, chicks, speed, fun, all in one. One day Adi walked into the office. He has this habit of just walking into the cabin and saying, what if we had a movie which has a band of robbers and they have this method of having quick getaways in some kind of vehicle. And from there we started working on the idea and we developed it together and वहाँ से धूम शुरू हो गई. The brief given to me about Jay Dixit was Super Cop. Basically, he's somebody who's extremely focused, only thinks about his job 24 hours a day. He tries his best to balance his personal life with his profession, but on some level fails because his profession means way too much to him. So he's a very focused, dedicated and ruthless cop. Ruthless to the extent that he's relentless, he's going to do whatever it takes to get the job done.
अली पहले तो एक मैकेनिक है, उसका खुद का गैराज है और वो बाइक्स रिपेयर करता है.
कभी बाइक में इंटरेस्ट है क्या?
He basically makes bikes which go faster than they are supposed to. When you see Ali for the first time, he comes across as this very fun-loving, sweet kind of a Bombay mechanic, tapori kind of a guy, you know.
क्या बोला, किसी को सुनाई दिया? अरे थोड़ा प्यार से बोलने का सॉरी है कि नहीं?
At the same time, he's not been shown to be very poor in the sense that he probably does make a reasonable amount of money. And his philosophy of life is also very like to the point, you know. ये है तो ये है, ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए. If he likes a girl, he thinks of marrying her immediately.
स्वीटी, कुत्ता और तू, छोटा परिवार, हैप्पी फैमिली.
He lives life from his heart and he wears his heart on his sleeve. And he just takes each day as it comes.
क्या मम्मी हाँ? एक छोकरी भेजी वो भी पंटर.
I think that is what really drew me to Ali, and I think in some way I've tried to project that of Ali more than anything else. A bit of it is me.
I remember when I went and met Sanjay, he told me, John, when I was scripting this movie, the character that I had in mind for Kabir when I was scripting it was John is going to do this and John is going to do that and John is going to jump here. So it's always been John because you fitted the profile of the movie. When I did the movie, I realized Kabir's attitude was very much in sync with what I am in real life. So except being a really bad guy, I think I pretty much fell in place. What I like about Kabir is that he is black and white, black or white. He's no shades of grey. Either you're right or you're wrong. He's a very no-nonsense guy, a very straight guy.
मेरे रूल्स कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता, मैं भी नहीं.
Hi, I'm Sweetie. These are the bikes that the guys got in this film, and this is what I got. She is very sweet. She's a Bengali girl, and she got married to a police officer. And the best thing about her is, whenever she gets angry, she starts speaking in Bengali.
তুমি কবে শুধরবে? সব সময় সবাইকে চোর ভাবো, তোমার কাজ হয়ে গেছে। নিজের পুলিশের চাকরি করে তার মানে এই না যে তুমি সবসময় সবাইকে চোর ভাববে। তোমার এরকম করা একদম উচিত নয়।
It was a very sweet character to play, very nice character to play.
शीना, मेरा नाम शीना है, okay?
She's a very tough girl who hangs out with a lot of guys, who's very confident of the way she looks and the way she carries herself. I think 6 months, like I had to lose a lot of weight and change my hair color to blonde. More than physical appearance, I had to mentally psych myself to be comfortable in wearing certain clothes which I wasn't comfortable in wearing earlier. So I myself, I had to go out and actually pick up clothes like that to get into, stuff like that. And so my body language looks kind of okay for the film.
Once we had cast and we were clear about the characters, then we got into the fact of how each of these characters should look.
Adi was very clear that he wanted Abhishek to have a very strong outlook. Hence, we gave him a very thick band leather watch, strong beads around his neck, a silver bracelet that was handcrafted in Thailand. We tried to soften it in some ways with just a bit of knit fabric and things like that. But otherwise, he was a guy who could move easily, yet was a bit fashionable, even though he's a cop. John is devastatingly good looking with a body to match. So ideally you can put anything on him and he'll look like a god. Sourcing his biker outfit was, I think, the pivotal point of his look in the film. Because earlier we were talking about bright colors and metallics, but finally we decided that he's the kind of guy who would wear black. That is his style. Uday has, basically his appeal is that he's very sweet and soft looking. And to play Ali, we decided that he needed to be a little more naughty. So the first thing we did was work in hair extensions to make him look different from the other films. The bandana, of course, to give him power and strength. And we worked on a bit of a mix of the whole Tapori angle with someone who's, probably shops a bit from stores that source from New York or London or wherever. So he's worldly, yet he's used his own Indian twist to look cool. Basically what we saw with Rimi was we saw her transform from a very quiet girl next door to this gorgeous, beautiful, vivacious, bubbly woman who plays Abhishek's wife in the film. Her dressing was never meant to be over the top, so it's quite simple, yet it's stylish. It reveals her best qualities, which are her midriff, her beautiful collarbones and her beautiful face. Aisha also worked very hard on getting into shape for the role. She had to work with allowing herself to show her body and be comfortable with that as her role demanded. And she did a fantastic job of that. I think with the new hair extensions and everything, she's just looking amazing.
Most important aspect of this film, that is the bikes. You can't just take any bike. You've got to have a bike that suits the story, that actor and that character and the role, and becomes a part of the story. So we decided there's going to be the Hayabusa for John and the Bandit 1200S for Uday. And each of these bikes was styled and shaped and altered to suit our film, and in that Bunty and his team helped us a lot. We had things on the computer with the color combinations and whether we want this kind of a fairing or we don't want this kind of a fairing, and we want these additional parts, choosing the colors, and Nirav was very instrumental in deciding.
And when I saw these bikes the first time, it was like, whoa, the bikes were awesome. They were so good looking.
I was very clear about John's bike, that the Pusa has to be red and black, because for me that is evil. That's a bad boy, black and red. And that's the color. With Nirav's approval, we decided on the color of the Pusa. The Bandit was decided to be yellow, so it'd be a little bright and naughty, and silver and black for the gang members' bikes, so that they would be very cool and professional and deathly, and when they go in formation, they would be looking good.
I think somewhere the bikes dictated the look of the film. I think I had a different look for the film in mind before I saw the bikes, but after I saw the bikes, I knew that was the only way to go. Every day, every shot was a challenge, because we were shooting bikes that move really fast, insanely fast, bikes that travel at 200 kilometers per hour.
This is the bike I'm riding in the film, and it's a 1200cc, and it can get a little scary if you are not really a competent rider. So I decided that I need to get a little more trained in it. So I searched the net for these people who give you training, and I found these people in London. And I went there, did like 2 courses back to back, got really comfortable riding really fast on the motorways there. And when I came back, I was reasonably confident that I would probably be able to ride this baby in the film.
I've always had a fascination for motorbikes and a fascination for speed because my mom's side we've been Iranis, Parsis that is. So we've always loved our bikes more than our women all our life. That's how I decided that I really want to do this movie because I am all about riding a motorbike.